Transit class. Today we are talking about gears. Gears are used in most situations like train, bicycle, and car. Gears have special features that could increase the speed of rotation by using a bigger and more tip gear as driver gear. We can increase the speed of rotation of a smaller and lesser tip gear. For example, yellow gears have 3 times more teeth than the smaller gray gear. Thus, for every 1 yellow gear turn, gray gear turn for 3 turns. Hence, the speed of rotation has increased. The second feature is to change the direction of rotation by using 2 gears or even number of gears in gear train. If the driver gear turns toward clockwise direction, then the other gear will turn in another direction. In conclusion, we can change most of the vehicle speed by relating the gear ratio of driver and driven gear. We can also change the direction of rotation by 2 gears. Thank you.